Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about using Windscribe VPN. Windscribe VPN is a powerful tool that encrypts your browsing activity and provides enhanced privacy and security. Today, I will show you how to set it up and use it on your Windows PC. Now, as you can see, we have Windscribe for Chrome, meaning we also get access to Windscribe specifically for the Chrome browser, but we'll focus solely on the desktop version in this video. To get started, click the link in the description to open the Windscribe website. Once there, click the download button at the top right corner of the page. Once there, you'll see two options, one for the Windows app and another for Chrome. Select the option for the Windows app and click the download button. After the installer downloads, open it, follow the installation prompts, and Windscribe will be ready to use on your device. When you first log into Windscribe, you'll notice that the interface is straightforward. By default, you have 2 GB of data available for free. If you provide an email address, you can increase this limit to 10 GB per month. This can be helpful if you're planning to use the VPN more frequently. The free plan is sufficient for occasional browsing and lightweight activities, but keep in mind that you might need to upgrade for unlimited data. The main dashboard is easy to navigate. At the top, you'll see your current IP address and location. This information updates dynamically when you connect to a server. On the right side, you'll find a toggle switch to turn the VPN on or off. Simply clicking this switch will connect you to the best server available based on your location and network conditions. If you prefer to manually select a server, click on the location menu. You'll see a wide variety of countries and cities to choose from, giving you flexibility in accessing region-specific content or optimizing your connection. One of the core features is the firewall. This acts as a security layer, blocking all connectivity in the event of an unexpected disconnection. This ensures your real IP address is never exposed. To enable it, simply toggle the firewall switch on the main dashboard. It's highly recommended to keep this feature activated for maximum protection. Additionally, the firewall prevents potential DNS leaks, which could otherwise compromise your privacy. Think of it as an insurance policy for your online activities. Windscribe's customization options allow you to tailor the VPN to your specific needs. You can adjust the app's behavior under the General Settings menu. Here, you'll find options to enable the VPN to launch automatically when your computer starts up. This ensures you're always protected from the moment you power on your device. You can also set it to start minimized to avoid unnecessary distractions, especially if you prefer a clutter-free workspace. Another useful feature is the ability to show country flags next to server locations, which helps you quickly identify the region you're connecting to. In the advanced settings, you'll find options like enabling IPv6 connectivity. It's essential to keep this enabled to avoid potential leaks. You'll also see settings for malware and ad blocking, which are built into Windscribe. Make sure to enable these features for an enhanced browsing experience. You can block trackers, clickbait, and even gambling or cryptocurrency-related content if desired. These options provide an extra layer of control over your internet usage. For those interested in automation, Windscribe allows you to configure auto-connect settings. This ensures that the VPN connects automatically when you start your device or access specific networks. It's a convenient feature, especially if you're frequently switching between networks and want uninterrupted security. Now, let's discuss some of the limitations of Windscribe. While it's a reliable and feature-rich VPN, there are areas where it falls short compared to premium alternatives like NordVPN and Surfshark. For example, Windscribe's free plan, although generous, has data limitations that can be restrictive for heavy users. The server network is also smaller compared to NordVPN and Surfshark, which offer thousands of servers worldwide, ensuring better speed and connectivity. Windscribe's unblocking capabilities for streaming platforms like Netflix can be inconsistent, whereas NordVPN and Surfshark excel in this area with dedicated streaming servers. Another consideration is customer support. While Windscribe offers a chatbot and guides, it lacks live chat support, which NordVPN and Surfshark provide 24/7. This can make a significant difference if you encounter technical issues and need immediate assistance. If you're looking for more robust features, faster speeds, and comprehensive support, NordVPN and Surfshark are excellent alternatives. Both come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try them risk-free. Check the links in the description to get NordVPN or Surfshark at a great price.